Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stockton Stuffed. I am here doing my Crafty Christmas Collab 2020 with hosted by Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts. That's here on YouTube. And we were charged to make projects the month of November with the same paper pad or collection. And if you remember from last week, I decided that I was using my my Craft Smart Holiday Glitz paper pad. It was a hot buy last year, and I am down to literally, I have no more full sheets. Let me say that. All I have is scraps. I did not get a chance to use all of my scraps though, because I was trying to get all my projects done, recorded, and up, because I am going to pick up my son from college, and I won't be able to craft again until Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and the likelihood of that is low because I need to cook for Thanksgiving dinner. So what I did this month or this week was cards, because I also have told you guys that I am really trying to get my Christmas card stash stocked up so that I am ready in a week or so to start mailing cards out. So the first card I did was something I've been wanting to do, and it is the like triple gatefold card. And I did not have a fancy Stampin' Up die to use, but I did have, let me grab it here. I did have a border die, this border die that I really believe I got from either AliExpress or In Love Arts. It came in a set. I have others, but this is the one I chose. And I just kind of measured out, and I cut it. I think I cut my paper at, I don't remember now, but I decided on the width of the paper, and then I cut it on both ends. So that took me quite a bit, because I had to, so just even for one card, it was 6 cuts. So, but I liked the way it came out, so it was okay. And then I used actually just some of the scraps that I had before, and then I layered in gold, and I stamped a sentiment, and which is a Stampin' Up! Sentiment and an image there. So that's that one. On the cut aparts page, there was "'Tis the Season," and so I got that and made it fit, and then they just had some decorative pieces, and the gift of love, the gift of peace, the gift of health and happiness, and the key is to fold it back, right? And then this one is the one with the leaves, and there's that same stamp. And then this one is here, and there's that first one. And then I used the November, I think, sheet load, and I did, and I'm going to tell you what, I love how these came out. So scraps again from the collection. I used my Sizzix die, the small, are these chrysanthemums? I can't ever remember. And a little bit of, I had this Eyelet Outlet black bling, and then this black velvet paper. It is velvet. I just love it. It's so rich that I just bought one sheet at Michael's to see if I liked it. And I love it. I love how it looks on this card. And then again, just trying to use my scraps, did that, and my die in gold, and that is, I think I showed that one to you a couple of weeks ago. It is a creative expressions die. It's small, it's a one piece, and I just thought it looks so pretty. And I just did that. I used that die. I am so sorry for bumping this camera. I used that die in all of them, but I did some different scraps in there. And this one doesn't have any, just extras, just the Christmas greetings. and that one does have a scrap on the side. But I think those are so pretty. I am going to actually do some other sheet loads in another print that that I'll use. But yeah, that really came out so cute. And last but not least, I made 2 boxes because of course I still have some white and I have my black, plenty of black and gold. I don't know why I have so much left, but this is just a sleeve that slides off, and the box I made out of 110, and it just opens like that, and put your treats in there. Oh, I just had an idea. I should do liners use some of my scraps and line it on the inside. That'd be really pretty too. And you can just put some candies in there, or lipstick, or I don't know, a keychain. And then this one is the white, and I just put a little something else on it because it just looks so white. I would have, it would have been nice if I could have done that box in gold, but the gold is not really cardstock, or I haven't found any gold that's cardstock. So again, it just slides off, and I always have trouble on camera making stuff work for me, right? Let me do it the other direction. There we go. And it just opens like that. And yeah, I think I am gonna line those with the matching paper. I just gave myself an idea. All right, so those are my projects for Crafty Christmas Collab 2020. Thanks so much for watching.